Well, the only way to contain vector-borne diseases like dengue is to follow vector containment measures on mosquito breeding grounds. The municipal corporations in Delhi have identified now high-risk areas of dengue mosquito breeding in the national capital. Milan Sharma with this report.
Delhi is reeling from its worst dengue outbreak since 2017. The city has recorded more than 27,000 cases, 20% of them among children less than 14 years of age. The 4 municipal corporations of Delhi have identified high-risk dengue zones for better facilitating countermeasures. The North Municipal Corporation has identified 149 high-risk zones for mosquito breeding. These include Chandni Chowk, Paharganj and Karol Bagh. 35 hotspots have been identified by the South Municipal Corporation. These include Gautam Nagar, Malviya Nagar and Mehrauli. The East Municipal Corporation has listed 16 such hotspots. 3 hotspots have been identified in New Delhi. South Delhi's Gautam Nagar has reported the highest number of dengue cases in Delhi.
South Delhi Municipal Corporation has identified 35 hotspots where breeding of mosquitoes causing dengue fever is happening in the zone. Gautam Nagar happens to be one of the hotspots where the highest number of cases are being reported from. I'm just walking distance from AIIMS, and the reason that most reporting happens here is that people live near the hospital area where dengue cases are being reported in maximum numbers.
Fogging, checking for mosquito breeding grounds, covering stagnant water with tarpaulins are among the various measures that can check mosquitoes. But these measures are seldom visible on the ground.
Officials say that construction of houses, unchecked terraces have stagnant water that needs to be covered. But more needs to be done by the municipal corporations as well to make sure that in areas as congested as these, that dengue does not become a hotspot here and affect Delhiites in the worst way possible. With camera person Ajay Thakur, this is Milan Sharma in New Delhi for India Today.